Okay, here we are in the wall plate. I uploaded a file and you've probably viewed the file and now you want to know how to deal with it. Well, the job size I have here is 6 inches wide. The height is 8 inches. The thickness is 0.75 inches. Zero plane is material surface. The datum is the lower left-hand corner. And the modeling resolution is very high. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is you go over here and check this. I'm going to want to move this. We want to move this into position. Okay. Now I'm going to just leave this not centered for right now because we're going to have another object in here. Okay, and this is where you want to choose your switch or your receptacle. I'm just going to choose one of these receptacles. And I'm going to choose this one because I think there's something wrong with that other one, if I remember correctly. Okay, we'll get this into position. I'm going to call that good. Okay, right now, we're going to choose this. We're going to go here to the modeling tab. We're going to choose the create shape from vector outline. Okay, and what I'm going to do is use this round over profile. It's 28 degrees. We'll just call it 30 degrees. Okay. And the base height, we're going to leave that right where it is. It's rather than 24, we'll call it 25. Okay. And the final height, we'll just leave no limit for now. And we are going to call this the wall plate. And we're going to apply. And there we have it. And what we're going to do now, you can go to clip art and choose what you want. I chose this this bird, but the main thing I wanted to show you is, and bring down the zero plane. It's right here. Add zero plane. Okay, so we have this bird, Canadian goose in this case. Put what you want in here. And over here, I have created the 3D finish is All right, there's a pocket. There's a finish for the outside of the wall plate. And there's a finish for the a 3D finish for the bird. So I think you probably know enough about that. And let's see, we'll okay, that's what you should end up with if everything works out all right. That'll give you a little demo. And let's see, we'll just go over here, and the pocket is for this and this, and the very center, not that. Okay, there's an outer ring here we leave. Okay, I think you can see that. All right, there we go. So that gets cut through, and the center of this, and that is the, right here, start depth 0, and it cuts to 0.77. And I'm using a 0125 end mill. And the second pocket is just for that circle in red there. You can see it's kind of a countersink, so that the screw that holds that wall plate on there won't be exposed. You know, it'll be, well, it's countersunk so that it'll be flush with the surface. And let's see, and the profile, here's the profile to actually cut it out. And you may find you have to weld things here or to ungroup some of these things to get this to work right. And then again, you may not have any problem with it at all. But we'll just try to keep this short, just to give you an idea what this can be used for. And of course, there's a lot of different things here. It was set up so that you could do multiples, you know, of maybe 3 switches or 4, or 2 receptacles and 1 switch. You know, there's a lot of different things that can be done. But the coolest thing is to put another object in there. And let's see, okay, the Canadian Goose was set up to merge. And so wasn't the wall plate. They're both set to merge. So there you go. I hope that helps you. I hope we'll see some more of these floating around. When you finish one, post it to whatever group you belong to, or if you don't belong to a group, maybe you should look into joining a CNC group. You can learn a lot. Okay, that's it. Goodbye.